welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at how to sign up on the Cowrywise app. Now, we've downloaded the Cowrywise app. We want to sign up on it. You want to create an account. How do we do this? First thing you're going to do is tap on sign up. You can see you can sign up with your Google account or with your email account. But if you already have an account, just simply sign in by tapping on this. We don't have an account, so let's sign up with our email account. It's easiest to sign up with your Google account. Just tap on sign up with Google account. So after clicking on sign up with Google account, you're going to create a PIN because your PIN adds an extra layer of security to your Cowrywise account. You have to enter a 4-digit PIN, strong 4-digit PIN, and then confirm the PIN. Once you're through with that, you click on done. So after putting your 4-digit PIN, you have to verify your identity with your BVN. You have to enter the BVN and the date of birth. So if you want to know why you need to enter BVN, it's because it will help them verify your full name, your date of birth, and gender, nothing else. After inputting your BVN, you input your date of birth and then you click on verify BVN. And if your BVN is verified, you see this information here. Your BVN information has been verified. Then you tap on continue.
Welcome to Cowrywise.
So once you come in, you're going to get a welcome home video message like this. So you watch it, it's 1 minute 24 seconds. And once you've watched it, then you finally open your app. So that is how to create or sign in or sign up on Cowrywise account. Hope you found this video helpful.